Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering everything: the charger, a high-quality cable, a USB power meter or trusted app, and a stopwatch. This ensures repeatable data. Once ready, fully discharge the device to a clear baseline and record battery percentage and temperature so you can compare later. Make sure to set airplane mode and stop background apps. This reduces variables and isolates charger performance. Start the meter, connect the charger, and begin timing as the first amp and watt readings appear. Now you monitor the live data and log values at consistent intervals. Record volts, amps, and watts every minute for the first 10 minutes to capture the initial ramp. As you record, watch for sudden drops or thermal throttling. These reveal heat limits or negotiation issues between device and charger. Make sure to also note time to reach 50% and the highest sustained wattage. Once you have that mid-test profile, you can compare real-world charging against advertised specifications. Finish by stopping the measurement when the device is full or after a fixed period, then calculate average and peak power to summarize performance. This tells you real throughput versus the label. Once done, compare your curve and numbers to the charger's rating. Lower wattage often means cable loss, negotiation limits, or heat-related throttling. If results look wrong, try a different cable or port, clean connectors, and retest with another charger. This troubleshooting sequence isolates where the bottleneck lies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.